My name is Hani Al-Qadi, and I'm a senior consultant trauma surgeon at the Sultan Qaboos University Hospital in Oman. And I'd like to give a little note of thanks to the Kuwaiti Medical Student Association, who hosted me in the conference for disease prevention earlier this year. I'd like to specifically highlight how professional and highly organized they were. Another thing that I would like to praise was the amazing coordination between the members of the association and their leadership and their hospitality. So thank you very much, and I'm really looking forward to cooperating with the Kuwaiti Medical Student Association in the future.